Welcome! If you're looking to remove an email address from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the steps have changed a bit, so let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access your personal profile or any pages you manage. Now, select the page where you want to delete the email address. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side, but depending on your layout, it might be in a different spot. Click on About to open up all the details related to your page. Scroll down until you see Contact and Basic Info. This is where Facebook stores all your contact details, including your email address. Find the email address you want to remove. Next to it, you'll notice a small More icon. It often looks like 3 dots or a little arrow. Click on this icon to open up more options. From the list that appears, choose Delete. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this email address from your page. This is just to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. Click Confirm to complete the process. And that's it. Your email address has now been deleted from your Facebook page. This update makes it much easier to manage your contact information and keep your page details up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.